Warm greetings everybody. Hope you are doing well. Today I want us to share something very important. Many people while using these smartphones complain whenever I buy data bundles, my MBs are consumed a lot. After buying my 1 GB, all of the sudden, even when I have not used, my data is consumed. This battery of mine, the phone is fake, sijui what. Even when I have not used my phone, the battery goes low. It depends on how you are doing your things. It depends on the service provider. However, just know prevention is better than a cure. Therefore, we want to prevent. At least after this video lesson, you'll be able to have solved something. I'm not saying, this is a disclaimer, that when you do what I'm going to show you, your battery will not become low. No. I'm not saying that if you set up these settings, your data bundles will not be consumed. But you would have gone an extra mile. At least it is better if you want to save your battery, do these things that I'm going to show you. If you want to save your data, please do these things. First of all, issues to do with a phone consuming a lot of data, it depends on the applications that you have in your phone. Most applications run in the background, which means this application is going to use your data even if you've not opened it. Therefore, you close all the background activities of your application. If you scroll down like this on your phone, you go and look for what we are calling data saver. You turn on data saver on your phone. If data saver is on, then that is one of the first measures that you have taken. Number 2, go into the settings of your phone settings. When you reach there, you look for apps. Sometimes apps and notifications are combined. On my phone here, apps. So we have default apps. We have so many things to do with your applications. Therefore, you select apps, default apps, then you set up this if you want. But that is not the point of interest. I'm interested in turning off the background activities, more so on those applications that consume data, that need data to be used. However, my advice is, when you select all apps like this, all apps, see all apps, however much you have a million apps in your phone, go on app by app, you turn off data consumption. Let's assume this application, Forte Hadith. When you select on it, you go straight to where there is mobile data and Wi-Fi. So you are going to find something of this kind. Enable usage of mobile data in the background, which means when this option is on like this application is going to use mobile data in the background. So I turn it off. It will not use mobile data in the background. You go back, look for another app. Let us say this app Canva. When you select Canva, you go on mobile data and Wi-Fi. It is on, therefore you turn it off. On, off. You go back, you look for another app. Let us say Facebook. Select Facebook. You look for mobile data and Wi-Fi. It is on, turn off. You are realizing and finding out that for me, most of the apps are off, which means these apps will not run in the background to consume my data. WhatsApp, mobile data and Wi-Fi, background data, enable usage of mobile data in the background. If I enable, WhatsApp will consume my data in the background. Therefore, I want it to be off. I go back. So repeat this not until you confirm that every application has been turned off. Then this same application is run in the background, consuming your battery. So if you want to save some power, do the same on every app. For example, this app here, Arsenal. You now open it. I go to battery. So manage battery usage, unrestricted. This allow battery usage in the background without restriction is may use more battery. Optimize it. Optimize based on your usage, recommended for most apps. So you should select restricted. Restrict background battery usage while in the background. App may not work as expected. Notification may be delayed. It is okay. So you say restricted. Okay. Go to another application. Let us say ChatGPT. Battery, you also select restricted. Do the same on the other apps. Google Docs, battery, restricted. Move ahead. Look for most of the apps. You make sure that every app is restricted. You restrict all these apps such that you save some power on your smartphone. Restricted. So you're going to do that not until you confirm that all the applications have been restricted. Okay, let us assume TikTok. You go to battery, restricted. So sometimes the battery or data is consumed because of the pop-up notification is up here, right here. So you must also turn off the notifications whenever you receive a notification on a certain application. Is sometimes these social media applications, whenever notifications appear up here, data also is consumed. Therefore, in your settings application, in settings, you go to sound, not sound. You go to notifications, then okay, if it is to turn off notifications, you go to apps, see all or select all, then you turn off notification for each application. For example, Gmail notification is you can turn off. But however, for me, Gmail is so important. I can't miss notifications for Gmail. But we have applications like Phonics. You may not need the notifications which come always. So you select notifications. If you turn on, remember this Phoenix brings a lot of notifications on the pop-up. This may consume your data bundles. Therefore, you turn off. However, apps like phone, you can't turn off the notifications for the phone application. Apps like photos, for me I need these notifications for photos, that's why I left it on. So that is what I wanted to share with you. Continue following us, SIK ICT Creative, on all our social media platforms. Follow us on Facebook. Follow us on Facebook. Follow us on WhatsApp. You follow us on LinkedIn. You follow us on TikTok. You follow us on YouTube and everywhere. The brand is SIK ICT Creative everywhere. Thank you so much. See you again.